Have you ever wondered how to create your own monetizable lo-fi channel with AI? Lo-fi music, short for low fidelity, is a genre that embraces imperfections in sound quality, often producing a relaxing and soothing aura. Its chill beats and laid-back vibe have become the soundtrack to countless study sessions, workdays, and moments of relaxation. Now, imagine using artificial intelligence to create this music. AI, a technology that simulates human intelligence, is revolutionizing multiple industries, including music. With AI, you can generate unique lo-fi tracks without needing to master any musical instruments or spend countless hours in a studio. AI not only helps in creating original and appealing lo-fi music, but it also opens up avenues for monetization. By generating a constant stream of unique tracks, you can create your own lo-fi channel and earn revenue from listeners worldwide. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to create your own lo-fi channel with AI. Why should you consider creating a lo-fi music channel with AI? This question is worth pondering as we delve into the realm of lo-fi music and artificial intelligence. Lo-fi music, with its soothing, low-fidelity sounds, has seen a significant surge in popularity over the last few years. It's become the soundtrack of choice for many seeking solace in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. But how does AI fit into this equation? Artificial intelligence brings a new dimension to music creation. It's capable of composing unique, complex melodies, making the process of creating lo-fi music more efficient and accessible. This fusion of AI and music opens up an exciting world of possibilities, offering an endless stream of fresh, original content for your channel. Moreover, with the rise of digital platforms, monetizing your lo-fi music has never been easier. Whether it's through ad revenue, sponsorships, or merchandise sales, the potential for profit is substantial. With this in mind, let's move on to the step-by-step process. The first step to create your own lo-fi channel with AI is setting up your YouTube channel. Now, the process of setting up your channel is straightforward. You'll need to sign in to YouTube. Click on your channel under the user icon and then click Create a New Channel. Choosing a name for your channel is crucial. You want it to be catchy, easy to remember, and representative of the content you'll be sharing. Your channel name is your brand, so take your time to decide on it. Next, you'll need to add a channel description. This is your chance to tell visitors what your channel is about. Make sure to include keywords related to lo-fi and AI music to help your channel appear in relevant searches. Lastly, don't forget to add some visually appealing channel art to attract viewers. Remember, first impressions matter. Once your channel is set up, you can move on to creating your first AI-generated lo-fi track. Now, it's time to create your first AI-generated lo-fi track. In the vast realm of music creation, artificial intelligence has emerged as a game changer, and it's no different for lo-fi. Whether you're an experienced musician or a beginner, AI tools can help you create a unique lo-fi track without breaking a sweat. There are several AI tools available for creating lo-fi music, each with its own set of features and benefits. Some popular ones include Music, Jukin, and AIVA. These platforms offer a range of options to customize your track, such as adjusting the tempo, changing the key, and selecting the mood. They are user-friendly and designed to simplify the music creation process. Now, let's dive into the creation process. Begin by selecting your desired tool. For instance, if you choose Music, start by defining the mood and style of your track. You can choose from a variety of moods like chill, dreamy, or melancholic. Next, set the duration of your track. Once you've defined your parameters, Amper will generate a unique composition in a matter of seconds, but your journey doesn't end with the creation of the track. Naming your piece is equally important. A unique and catchy name can make your track stand out among the millions of other lo-fi tracks. So, let your creativity run wild and come up with a name that reflects the mood and style of your track. Remember, the beauty of AI-generated music is in its unpredictability. No two tracks are the same, giving you the opportunity to create something truly unique. And the best part? You don't need any musical expertise. All you need is an idea and an AI tool to bring that idea to life. So, don't be afraid to experiment. Play around with different moods, styles, and tempos. The world of AI-generated lo-fi music is at your fingertips. Now that you have your first track, it's time to upload it to your channel. With your first track ready to go, it's time to monetize your channel. How, you might ask? Well, there are several avenues you can explore to turn your passion for lo-fi music into a profitable venture. First, there's the option of running ads on your channel. Once you've hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn revenue from ads displayed on your videos. Keep in mind, though, that the key to ad revenue is consistent content creation and audience engagement. Next, consider sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for unique, engaging content to associate with. If your channel aligns with a brand's values or target audience, they might be willing to sponsor your videos. This could range from equipment to software subscriptions or even monetary support. Merchandising is another avenue worth exploring. If you've built a strong brand and community around your channel, your fans might be interested in supporting you by purchasing merchandise. This could be anything from t-shirts and hats to posters and stickers featuring your channel's logo or catchphrase. Lastly, there's fan funding. Platforms like Patreon offer a way for fans to support creators directly. In return, you can offer exclusive perks like early access to new tracks, behind-the-scenes content, or the opportunity to influence future creations. Remember, monetization isn't just about making money, it's about sustaining your channel and allowing you to invest in better equipment, software, or even collaborations to enrich the content you provide to your audience. The key to successful monetization is a consistent posting schedule, high-quality content, and a genuine connection with your audience. And there you have it. You now know how to create and monetize your own lo-fi music channel with AI. Start creating today and join the AI music revolution.